This song has one pattern for the verse and one pattern for the chorus. The verse pattern can be played with 3 simple chords, starting on G major, G, B, D, going to A minor, A, C, E, and finishing on F major, F, A, C, for 2 measures. In one hand, we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 4 beats, A minor, 4 beats, F major, 8 beats, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 2 hands, it could sound and look like. The chorus can be played with 4 easy chords, starting on C major for 2 measures. C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Then to G major, G, B, D, also for 2 measures. A minor, A, C, E for 2 measures. Then finishing on F major, F, A, C, also for 2 measures. In one hand, the chorus progression could look like this. 1, 2, 3. We get C for 2 measures, followed by G for 2 measures, A minor for 2 measures, finish on F for 2 measures. In both hands, the chorus pattern could look and sound like this. Starting on C, ready, here we go. C, 2, 3, 4, 2 measures to G, 2, 4, 2 measures to A minor, 2 measures, finish on F.